Hi guys. Hope you had a good weekend. Uh, Rested up and ready to go. So we're moving on to section 4.4 in the credit card chapter here. So we're done with we've done the three different ways of calculating just plain old finance charges. You receive a finance charge on a credit card when you do not pay back your entire balance in full during the month. So we're going to start to look at other types of fees that can be associated with this is in addition to the same old finance charges that we've been calculating. And this is about cash advances. This is a dangerous thing to do because it adds to your credit card balance in addition to your other finance charges. So what it is you can request, if you have a debit card, you can go to an ATM and you can request, you put your debit card in the ATM, you put your PIN number in to the ATM, and then money comes out of your bank account. Well, credit cards allow you to do this too, only that money is not coming out of your bank account. They'll give you a PIN where you can put the credit card into the ATM, only that money is not coming out of your bank account. That money you're borrowing from the credit card. So it's worse than just swiping it because you get additional fees with it, and you have to pay for that in addition to all the money that you're just swiping when you make a purchase with your credit card. So this is a dangerous thing because it seems like it's your money because it's coming out of an ATM, but it's not. You're borrowing it. So I want to take you through a problem how that works. Now remember, this is in addition to the regular finance charges that we've been calculating. So this is more on that. So this is you put your credit card in an ATM, get cash out, you're getting charged on top of that too. Let me take you through this example to show you how one of these problems works. I'll give you two to practice. We'll go over the answer to those two tomorrow. Okay. So we have Benita borrowed $500 for 20 days on his credit card using a cash advance. In other words, he put his credit card in the ATM, put the PIN in that they gave him. Out comes $500 cash. Yay, except he has to pay it back. It's not really his money. He paid it back in 20 days. 20 days later, he paid it back. So he borrowed $500 for 20 days on the credit card using a cash advance. Credit card company charges a cash advance fee. So not just the finance charge, you're getting a fee on this too. So you get a fee of 4% of the cash advance. So 4% of the $500 that you borrow, and a daily periodic interest rate of 0.0573%. So every day that you borrow it, you get charged 0.0573% on that $500. What's the total finance charge? When you put this all together, how much is it worth? So it says the solution is first write the daily interest rate, basically add two zeros in front of it in your calculator, right? So you would take your calculator, put in, let me see, I'll pull mine up over here. Maybe over here is better. You put in 0.00 and then the interest rate 0.573. You multiply that by how much they borrowed by the $500 and times the number of days that they borrowed it. So that's basically how much they're getting charged every day, right? So that's for one day, but he did this for 20 days. So if I multiply that by 20, $5.73, that's the finance charge that's associated with that. So that's the interest that they have to pay. But listen, there's also a fee with it. So you have to so write that number down, but then you have to take into account the fact that they have a 4% charge on however much you take out of the ATM. So multiply how much they took out of the ATM again by 4%, and you get $20. So the total finance charge is that $20 plus the interest charge that we just found, plus the 5.73, $5.73, meaning that the total finance charge for this cash advance is $25.73. That's how much the credit card company asked him to, or charged him to borrow. So that's how we would do it. Sorry, my eyes itchy. I'm going to give you two of those to practice. Now, keep in mind, he pays that plus more interest for whatever else he's been using, what other crazy things he's been using the credit card for. Okay. So that's not the only fee from the month. There's going to be more in addition. Okay. So try the 2 problems that I put below. We'll go over the answers to those tomorrow. And let me know if send me an email if you have any questions.